So what's the best way to drink a beer? A can, bottle, or a glass? One thing I wish I knew earlier when trying beer was how important smell is. Smell and taste go hand in hand when appreciating flavors. When you start to drink a beer with a can and a bottle, you don't really smell the beer as you drink it. But when you drink it in a glass, your nose goes actually into the glass and it kind of allows you to take in that aroma. So when you pour the beer into a glass from a can or a bottle, it almost swishes the beer around in the glass and activates the carbonation in the bubbles, or we call it head. This is the top part. You've probably had someone who just dumped the beer really hard and you got like a ton of bubbles and it was super annoying. But these bubbles are actually really important because it helps really bring out aromas of where the beer is from and can elevate the flavor as you drink it. Expectations are also really important when drinking beer, knowing what you're drinking. And typically, if you have something that is like yellow, you can kind of assume that it's gonna be a little more lighter, a little bit more refreshing, where if it's like orangey or even darker, you can kind of assume that it's gonna be more textured and have a lot more flavor in it. So the open glass also allows you to kind of look at it, whereas from say like a darker bottle, it's harder sometimes to tell what you're drinking and what to expect from it. So I definitely recommend drinking from a glass to get the whole beer experience. And when it comes between a bottle and a can, even though I much rather hold a bottle when I drink a beer, you don't get the smells at all. When you drink it, you put the whole thing on your lips, so you don't smell anything. Whereas with a can, there's a little bit of an opening as you drink it. So my recommendations when drinking a beer to appreciate the beer the best would be a glass first, can second, and bottle third, even though I like holding a bottle better. I want to challenge you. The next time you're at a bar or a restaurant, order a beer that comes in a can or a bottle and ask for a glass to come with it. And pour half your drink into the glass. And then drink a gulp of the bottle version and then drink a gulp from the glass. And I would love to know which one you prefer in the comments below. And just to talk about it, there is no right or wrong way to drink beer. But when you drink it in a glass, you're able to really, again, get your nose into it and really appreciate not only the taste, but the smell. Perfect pint.